Good morning, class. Are you fine this morning? I'm good, thank you. Alright, so what day is it today? Very good. Today is Tuesday, right? And can you tell me what we have on Tuesday? Very good. On Tuesday, the first session we have listening starter 3, right? Good. How about the second and the last session? What do we have? Okay, the second and the last session we have hangout 3, right? So today you are going to study 2 subjects. Are you ready? Do you prepare the books already? Okay, so next time I hope you can remember the schedule very well and you prepare the book with the day, okay? The day you learn, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You prepare everything before we start our class. Okay, so today we will continue our lesson in listening starter 3. But before we continue our lesson, I would like to review the words that you learned in Unit 2 first. Did you remember the word you learned in Unit 2? How many words are there? Very good. There are 6 words, right? Do you remember all the 6 words? Okay, very good. And how about one more? What do we call useful expression? Okay, without further delay, please review the words and useful expression with me. Okay, in Unit 2, cleaning up, we focus on vocabulary and useful expression. For vocabulary here, there are 6 words. Word, chore, a thing or a task you do regularly, we call a chores. Windows, open, an opening, wall, right? Window. Floor, you walk on the floor. Dishes, like plate, bowl, cup. Garbage, wet things, you don't want it, you throw it away, okay? Dirty or dirty, what is dirty? My hand, not dirty, right? How about your hand? No. After you eat right, your plate is dirty, right? Okay, so you need to wash it. Useful expression, that's not fair. What does that's not fair mean? I explained you once yesterday, right? And I also explained when we studied this expression the first time, right? But yesterday I made another example for you to understand this clearly. It means it's not fair, right? Like example, you have 3 brothers, including you. So you are the youngest one. Your first brother just play video games. Your second brother just watch TV, and you, the youngest brother, you go to clean the kitchen, you go to clean the bathroom, you clean the floor, you clean the window, a lot of things. So you shout, oh, that's not fair, that's not fair, right? Okay, that's not fair for you, mean it's not fair. Why the first brother and the second brother do another thing, they can enjoy their life, and how about you? Alright, so I hope you can use this expression very well in the context, in the correct context, okay? Well, so today we are going to practice a lot of listening exercises in our student book. Okay, please take out your textbook or student book all together. Are you ready? Okay, now please open your student book on page 17. Yesterday we have finished page 16, right? And I hope you send your classwork to your teacher. Did you do your classwork and homework? Okay, don't forget your classwork and homework because it can make you pass from one level to another level. Okay, so now let's continue our lesson. Okay, on page 17 we have quiz, right? We are still in Unit 2, cleaning up. And in here we have 4 sections, A, B, C, and D. For section A, now please focus on section A altogether. A, listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. Okay, you can look at the picture here. Can you see the picture clearly? Okay. One, yeah, you see? Yeah, the family, right? Like they are doing anything together. And the second one, yeah, she is cleaning her the window, the car's window, right? How about the number 3? The man is cleaning the floor, right? Oh, how about number 4? 3 garbage bags. Yeah, along the road or what? Okay. So here you have to listen to the speaker carefully and then choose the correct answer. In this listening, you will hear in one number you will hear 3 kind of answers, but you need to choose one. You will hear A, B, C, but among A, B, C, you have to choose only one. If you choose A, you don't choose B. If you choose B, you don't choose A. In one number we have 3 letters. In one number we have 3 letters, but you choose only one letter. Get it? Okay. So, are you ready? Now, listen.
A. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. 1. A.
The family took out the garbage together.
B.
The family is relaxing together at home.
C.
The family is doing chores together.
2. A. She is washing the windows in her bedroom. B. She is washing the windows in the kitchen. C. She is washing the windows of her father's car. 3. A.
My dad is cleaning the floor today.
B.
My dad is taking out the garbage today.
C.
My mom is cleaning her room today.
4. A. We had no garbage to take out. B. There was a lot of garbage to take out. C. I didn't take the garbage out.
Well, so after listening, you can find all the correct answer, right? Good. So, can you tell me what is the first one? Yeah, what is the first one? The answer is letter. Very good. Letter B. I can't hear your voice. You can't say, okay? All right, so number 1, the correct answer is letter B. Okay, I should write the red pen for you. Yeah. How about number 2? What is the correct answer? Very good. Letter C, right? Okay. How about number 3? What is the correct answer? Very good. Letter A. How about the last one? It must be letter B. Okay, so are your answer correct? If you are not sure you choose the correct answer, you can check your answer here. Number 1, the correct answer is letter B. Number 2, letter C. Number 3, letter A. And number 4, letter B. Okay, get it? Alright, so now we continue to another part. Let's go to part B altogether. B. Listen, choose the best response. Okay, here before you choose the best response, I would like you to read with me first. Okay, now you read the response, the 3 kind of response in one number first, and then you listen to the question and then try to choose the best response. Okay, now let's read with me. 5. A. My brother has a bad headache. B. That's not fair. C. Some kids do many chores every day. 6. A. We finished cleaning the kitchen yesterday. B. No, the dishes aren't dirty. C. Sam walked into the house wearing dirty shoes. Okay. After reading, I hope you can choose the best response after listening to the question. Are you ready? Good. Now listen.
B. Listen. Choose the best response. 5.
You have to do your brother's chores because he is sick.
6. Why is the floor dirty?
Well, so after the listening, can you choose the correct answer? Well, so what is the best answer for number 5? Number 5, the best response is letter B, right? The best response is letter B. How about number 6? What is the best response? The best response is letter C, right? Okay. You can check your answer here. So number 5, the best response is letter B, and number 6, the best response is letter C. B, C. Okay, so now we have finished part A and part B successfully. Let's go on to part C. Very good. Okay, C. Listen to the dialogue. Choose T for true or I for false. Okay, so here you just choose T for true or I for false. So before you listen, I would like you to read with me first. Okay, now let's start. 7. The boy's parents are going to be angry with him. Oh, why? 8. The boy has to clean the floors as part of his chores. Okay, so after reading this, listen and try to choose the correct answer. T for true, I for false. Are you ready? Good. Now listen.
C. Listen to the dialogue. Choose T for true or F for false. Oh no, my parents are going to be so angry.
Why? What happened?
I didn't do my chores. I didn't wash the dishes after breakfast, and I didn't take out the garbage.
Can you do them before your parents arrive home?
My dad gets home before me. He'll be angry already.
Well, so after the listening, you can choose the correct answer, right? Good. So what is the correct answer to number 7? Number 7, the correct answer, true or false? Very good. It's true, right? It's true. The boy's parents are going to be angry with him, right? Okay. How about number 8? True or false? True or false? Okay, very good. It's false, right? Number 8 is false. The boy has to clean the floors as part of his chores. He's very lazy. He doesn't want, okay, right? Okay, now we have finished part C successfully. Let's go to part D. D, listen to the speaker, choose the correct answer. Before you choose the correct answer, read the question and answer with me. 9. What does the speaker say about chores? A. She doesn't have any chores. B. Her mother has a lot of chores. 10. What does the speaker say about her grandmother? A. She cleans the house alone. B. She wants to relax every day. Okay, so are you ready? Good. Now listen.
D. Listen to the speaker. Choose the correct answer.
I don't have any chores. We live with my grandmother, and she cleans every day. My mom and I try to help, but she doesn't want help. She likes to clean alone. I don't think it's fair. My grandmother shouldn't do all of the cleaning. I think she should relax.
Well, after the listening, you can find the correct answer, right? Good. Yes. Now let's check your answer with me. Number 9. What is the correct answer? Oh, here we have only A and B, right? Okay, A and B. Okay. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is letter, very good, letter A, right? Yeah. She doesn't have any chores. Yeah, letter A. How about number 10? What is the correct answer? Yeah, also letter A, right? Letter A, she cleans the house alone. Her grandmother, right, cleans the house alone. Okay, so now we finish our session. But before finishing our session, I have one classwork for you to do. The classwork here in your workbook on page 10, it is dictation sheets. Okay, you can open your workbook on page 10 and you will see dictation sheet. Listen and write. Do you have the track? Okay, maybe you don't write your CD yet, right? Okay, that's okay. I will drop the track for you. Your teacher will drop the track for you. Okay, so after listening to the track, please complete this exercise. Letter A, only letter A, okay? Complete this exercise and then send to your teacher. Your teacher will correct for you. That's it for the first session and see you the second session. Bye.